Hi, I'm Christine Grace Alisoso and I'm here to tell you what I have learned in my transportation management course. First of all, I learned how essential transportation is to the overall supply chain. I explored different modes of transport like road, rail, air, and sea, and understood their advantages, limitations, and how to choose the right one based on cost, speed, and reliability. The course also taught me about transportation planning, including route optimization, carrier selection, and freight consolidation to improve efficiency. I gained insight into cost management, contract negotiation, and the use of technology such as transportation management systems for real-time tracking and decision-making. Additionally, I learned about regulatory compliance, environmental sustainability, and risk management strategies to handle delays or disruptions. Overall, this course gave me a strong foundation to understand and manage transportation effectively in global logistics environment.